What's up, guys? It's been a little bit of a break, but had a little excitement yesterday. A good friend of mine came down and dropped off 3 hubs for the MTVR for me, and unfortunately his PLS decided that the brakes didn't want to work anymore. Long story short, last night was pretty eventful. Aired it up, got it back here. You can see the old D2 air governor laying there, and you have the brand new one up there. Well, unfortunately one fitting snapped, the one that's capped off there with the self tapper. And long story short, that one goes up here to the forward air tank right there. It goes actually on the top side of it. But anyways, it goes to the forward air tank, and that's the signal line to tell the compressor to stop building. So now we have quite the opposite issue that we had before. It wouldn't build air, now it's building too much. So he's actually having a brand new line made up today and gonna come back, toss it on, which it's a bear. It runs around your elbow to get to your butt, but this thing is a beast. It's a 8V92 TA in this truck, 500 horse. It's got a flat deck on it, winch, outriggers, crane. I mean, it's a serious piece of machinery. Definitely would love to have one of these. So I don't think budget would allow. I think the other half would be pretty pissed off at me if I ever bought one. My collection continues to grow, but I don't know if I have room for one of these set up at the house too. It's a beautiful truck though. And here is a little size comparison for those that are wondering. 7-ton has a little bit on the height side, but it just dwarfs me otherwise. Definitely some cool stuff. Ignore all the cardboard. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to catch a little bit of this on video tonight, of it firing up and driving away. Alright, so we're back, and he got a new line made up, and believe it or not, 7 foot still isn't long enough, so we grabbed an additional 2 foot of line and got rigged up. We got the new governor all plumbed in, and we just got done adjusting it. Long story short, where's that O'Reilly's box? So if you ever broke down, call your local O'Reilly's. This is just a standard D2 air governor. Their part number is Romeo Bravo 18530. This will help you with a deuce, 5-ton, possibly an LMTV. I haven't changed one on those. This is very common in over-the-road applications, so a lot of commercial truck stores and even 2 local O'Reilly's to me actually has them. Anyways, we just got it replaced, just got it adjusted, and let's see if we can get you in here. When you're getting the outer cap off of it, you're going to have a lock nut, and you're going to have a stem with a flat head cut into it. And on this one specifically, we loosened the lock nut up and started turning it in. On most trucks, anywhere between 120 and 130 is acceptable. We shot for middle of the road and set it to pop off on the dryer at 125. So we're going to button this up and start the panels back on. this audio is going to turn out, but she's all back together, running good, and we're dropping the crane down. About to drop the hook in its home, and he's on his way. Figured I'd just throw this in here for anybody that's interested in one of these trucks. Be an audio warning. I'm going to be yelling. Come on, down. Down. A little more. Whoa. Bring her up. Up. Good. We're hooked up. Nothing to see there, so kind of a nice 802 on here. And this truck just is absolutely massive. Really impressive, the amount of workmanship that goes into something like this.